Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing a 2-ohm subwoofer versus a 4-ohm subwoofer. So the 2-ohm subwoofer has a lower electrical resistance, which lets amp push more power through it. This results in louder bass, but it can stretch the amp more and slightly reduce sound clarity. And the 4-ohm subwoofer, on the other hand, has a higher resistance, drawing less power from the amp, and it delivers cleaner sound, runs cooler, and is generally more reliable, though it won't be as loud as a 2-ohm at the same power level. So, which one is right for you? Let's discuss the pros and cons of the 2-ohm subwoofer first. So, the pros of the 2-ohm subwoofer is that it is louder and it is better for deep bass, and the cons of it is that it has more amp heat and has slightly less sound clarity. While the 4-ohm subwoofer, on the other hand, has a cleaner sound, cooler amp, and more durable, and the only con of it is that it is not as loud. So, which one is right for you? So, get the 2-ohm for louder or more power hungry if you're into that, and get the 4-ohm for cleaner, safer amps. And yeah, that is basically it. So, in my opinion, you should just get the 4-ohm subwoofer if you're just a regular user. You should only get the 2-ohm if you're into specific types of music, like if you really want to blast this music or sounds out of your system. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.